Honorable ABABU NAMWAMBA to now come and take over the program. Karibu.
Your Excellency, thank you for coming here to lead the nation in welcoming the world to magical Kenya. Kenya, the land of Hakuna Matata. And we tell the world, Karibuni Kenya, twende Vasha, Eastern Rally. Your Excellency, we are delighted to have and to continue the partnership we have with the FIA and the WRC. We are absolutely happy, glad to have Kenya as one of only 13 rounds of the World Rally Championship Series, and indeed the only one on the African continent. We want to assure our partners, the FIA and the WRC, that we cherish this partnership and will continue to work together to improve this amazing product, the special, iconic Safari Rally. Your Excellency, we are also delighted that the Safari Rally, again, I must pay credit to you, sir. It was really out of your initiative and instructions that we worked closely with the WRC to return the Safari Rally to its traditional timing of Easter. And this is therefore a celebration of this special heritage of having the rally over Easter. We deliver this rally, Your Excellency, in the context of a transition. We are making a big transition in terms of improving the management of the World Rally Championship Safari Rally project, and we can assure our partners that it will only get better. Your Excellency, among the key outputs of this year's rally is the launch of the Talanta Motorsport Academy. And we are looking forward to witnessing this academy become the breeding ground of the next big rallying stars from the Kenyan ecosystem. Let me conclude by assuring you, Your Excellency, that sports in Kenya is on a roll, sports in Kenya is on a high, and I'm very happy to recognize and appreciate the presence of our national Harambee Stars team coach, who is here and has just come back from Malawi after a successful sojourn by our national team Harambee Stars. That really is one of the factors confirming that our sports is on the right trajectory. Good people, it is now my honor, pleasure, and privilege to ask you to rise and join me in welcoming